If you think you're lazy, listen carefully. Lazy people don't exist. Broken systems do. And once you understand this, you'll stop blaming yourself forever. Every time you fail to stay consistent, you say the same thing. I'm lazy. I lack discipline. I have no motivation. But ask yourself this. If you were truly lazy, why do you feel guilty for not doing the work? Lazy people don't feel guilt. They feel comfortable. You feel frustrated because deep down you want to improve. The real problem is not your character. It's your system. Every day you wake up and rely on willpower. You decide again and again, should I work? Should I exercise? Should I focus? And every decision drains your energy. This is called decision fatigue, and it destroys consistency. There was an archer who practiced only when he felt motivated. Some days he trained. Most days he didn't. He blamed himself. I'm lazy, he thought. But his master told him something shocking. You are not lazy. You are undecided. And undecided people always lose. Disciplined people don't wake up motivated. They wake up committed to a system. A system removes choices. No thinking, no debating, no convincing yourself. When the action is automatic, discipline becomes effortless. Instead of trying harder, make the task easier. Put your phone in another room. Prepare your workspace in advance. Attach new habits to old routines. Start embarrassingly small. Your environment controls your behavior more than your willpower ever will. Once the archer changed his system, everything changed. He stopped asking, do I feel like training today? He trained because it was the default. And slowly, he stopped calling himself lazy. He became consistent. You are not lazy. You are not broken. You are not weak. Your system is broken. Fix the system and discipline will follow automatically. Comment below, what system will you fix first? And if this helped you, subscribe for more mindset stories. Win your mind.